Welcome to another episode of Source Selection Soundbites. Today, we are going to address a common facet in government contracting called key personnel. Key personnel are certain skilled individuals who possess experience, certifications, and abilities considered essential to successful contractor performance. Using key personnel as a factor is deeply embedded in the government source selection consciousness because often it is an important indicator of offeror quality and responsibility. Customers desire to eliminate the risk of onboarding unqualified personnel, especially when the contractor is providing services dubbed as program and office support, because these positions assist government program personnel to execute their day-to-day mission responsibilities. The positions classified as key personnel are usually encompassed by the Department of Labor's description of exempt employees that fit into the administrative or professional employee category. The duties of an administrative position are non-manual office duties related to the management of the customer's general business operations that require the exercise of discretion or independent judgment with respect to matters of significance. The duties of the professional category are similar, but the designation may require a higher level of education and study to function in their respective roles. As you know, key personnel can be provided by prime contractors including joint ventures members, subcontractors that perform vital elements of the work, or independent contractors who don't necessarily work for a company. The resume is the principal document used to convey a candidate's experience, education, and certifications. Experience examines the degree to which the offeror's candidate has a background performing similar projects or tasks. Similarity considers the scope, magnitude, and the complexity of past projects. The thought being that if the candidate handled similar work in the past, the candidate is equipped to handle the challenges of the instant requirement. The duration of time that the projects were supported is also important. Education determines whether the candidate has a general or specific educational background thought to enhance their ability to perform on the project. Certifications go a step further because not only has the candidate taken classes and received a degree, but they were also able to pass a test that demonstrates they have mastered key concepts that will enable them to perform in the real world. The importance of knowing the qualifications of personnel does not have the same level of importance in all services. For example, knowing the qualifications of every person where the contractor will deliver a final output and go on to the next project is not as important. For example, development of IT platforms or software results in a final output for the program. It is often unnecessary to know the qualifications of all, if any, team members. In fact, FAR 39, Acquisition of Information Technology, instructs contracting officers not to establish minimum requirements for IT personnel unless the requirement cannot be met without them, or the requirement requires the use of other than performance-based acquisition. In this episode of Source Selection Soundbites, a brief overview of the key personnel factor was addressed. This concludes today's Source Selection Soundbite. If this video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button to ensure you don't miss any new material. If you want more details on the subject, they are available on the Source Selection Answer app. It contains lectures, quizzes, court cases, sample documents, and more material that allows practitioners to quickly obtain actionable knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.